How to save a Google form. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can save a Google form easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open Google Form and sign in with your account. And once you are in, select the form that you want to save. Once you are inside the form, simply click on the Response tab. And here you can simply tap on the three dot icon and simply click on the download response from the drop down menu. And to ensure your form is saved properly, you can also link it to the Google Sheet. And once that's done, simply go to the Google Drive and here you will find your form already saved. And that's it. That's how you can save a Google form. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.